Hello, I'm Ale and welcome to this new video tutorial in which I will show you how to generate a QR code in the website QR Code Monkey. This website is one of the most popular free online QR code generators because of its high resolution and the powerful design options. Let's start. Step number 1. Type in your web browser QR Code Monkey, and it's going to be the very first one right here. And now step number 2. Set the QR content. At the top you can find different options, for example URL, email, location, Facebook, YouTube, and many more, but in this case I'm going to use URL. In addition, you can find different QR code templates in this button. As you can see, there are many of them and you can use them and customize them. Now let's move to step number 3. Once you erase the content that is in this box, you have to paste your URL. For this example, my URL is from this Instagram account. So I copy the link, clicking right click followed by copy. I return to the QR Code Monkey website and I put mine here, clicking right click followed by paste. Or you can use Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Now I click enter, and here you can appreciate your QR code. Now let's move to step number 4. Customize your design to get a unique QR code. Set colors. You can use a single color, for example, a classic black and white QR code, or here to pick more than one color, or here to customize colors. So let me go ahead and make this black and red. Okay, perfect. Also, you can add a logo image or upload a picture in this section. I will upload the logo image of the Instagram account I got the link, this one. So I'm going to upload the logo image. This one. Okay. If you want, you can use one of the icons that are here as well. There are many of them. And then you can customize the body shape, the iframe, and the eyeball in the customize design section. For body shape, I want this one. For iframe shape, I want this one, and for eyeball shape I want this one. Okay, and you can set the quality just here in this part. I want high quality. And now the final step, step number 5. Once you have done the previous steps, go ahead and click on create QR code button to see your QR code preview. Wow, wonderful! Please make sure your QR code is working correctly by scanning the preview. And now all you have to do is click on download PNG button or choose any other format you need. You can find the other formats here, but I need a PNG file, so I click on this button. I have to wait a few seconds. And finally, your QR code is ready to be scanned. You can use your phone camera or your QR code scanner app to scan the QR code. QR Code Monkey is a website I always use when I need to generate a QR code. I have this example. My professor asked me to create an online quiz, but I had to create a QR code with the link, so I decided to create a classic black and white QR code, and I put here this logo image of the website where I created the online quiz. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Have a great day!